Oh, you got 800 ROAS? Here's 466 for $2. Uh-oh, we didn't get anything. 80 cents, 80 cents, 80 cents. Clicks are, spiking up because performance is bad. So what's interesting is because performance goes bad, and your TROAS and TCPA are meant to make it complacent. If you get 400%, I can get you 400%. I probably could have got you a 7, but I charged you 40% more CPC. That kept you at a 4, but you're happy because that's your goal. All right, so check this out. This is what I'm leveraging. These are 2 snapshots where I've noticed this. This is 2. I have like 50 of these. And check these out segment by day in your conversion action, and then you'll see how this works. But this is the ROAS, this is the clicks, and this is the CPC. When bad performance happens, low CPC. So then you have bad performance the day before. Then that day after you have low CPC, get good performance. On that day, you have low CPC. But on the days that you have good performance on low CPC, the following day, you have higher CPC. But then when you have bad performance, like, now we're below your TROAS goal, you then get a cheaper CPC to get a better ROAS. So the clicks are about the same, but the difference in CPC is 100% different. That's use case number 1. Same use case, or different account, but same kind of use case, which is 800 ROAS, or 0 ROAS, $1. 800 ROAS, still within $1. Oh, you got 800 ROAS? Here's 466 for $2. Uh-oh, we didn't get anything. 80 cents, 80 cents, 80 cents. Clicks are, spiking up because performance is bad. So what's interesting is because performance goes bad, and your TROAS and TCPA are meant to make it complacent. If you get 400%, I can get you 400%. I probably could have got you a 7, but I charged you 40% more CPC. That kept you at a 4, but you're happy because that's your goal. So it's that's what I'm saying. It's kind of like price fixing based on the recency performance. So when you purposely cause this to tank, it's going to give you a whole bunch of traffic at a lower CPC. So you set it and fix it there. Then because your campaign actually doesn't attract a conversion, you're never going to be limited by bid strategy, and you can scale pretty much infinitely. That's why you're seeing your search impression share go up, your click share, your absolute top, everything gets better because Google's no longer going to start to throttle you once this thing becomes, conversion value heavy. And once it becomes successful, that's when it says, okay, now do you want more of this? You're going to have to pay me more CPC. That just never comes into play. The earliest one I got is May 6th. I'm around June 28th. So, a little over a month and a half, but this is when I killed the conversion tracking. And that's when my cost and my CPC that's when my CPC just tanked. And this is that, you'll see a rice water shampoo bar, still number 1, beating Viore, Amazon, Temu, CVS for our own product, that kind of stuff too. And same thing with the other one is a heatless. So still getting good, good placement. But what's funny is it used to get $2.50, $2.30, $2.78. But now when I'm stuck at $1.47, no matter what, even if I do like the last 7 days, and you'll see like what my bid is at, like I'm trying to get $2 max CPCs and it won't even go past $1.40 when it used to give me $2.50. So it's still holding, and my Edge Mesh tool is still showing excellent performance. Not actually, sometimes even better days than when I was on automated bidding. But what's interesting is my new customers actually increased by 112% the week after I did this, which is anecdotal for one use case. But what that was telling me is TROAS was effective because it was actually using warm traffic. It was just bidding higher when they thought they're going to convert, which instantly gives you immediately good ROAS. So it's almost like how the way that, the bidding strategies to maximize conversion value, and in Performance Max, we're going to go after the fast, easy, cheap wins. I'm seeing an element of that in inbound standard shopping, which is kind of makes sense because it's a bidding strategy algorithm. But I didn't think that I could actually get that much exposure on an inbound campaign that's using that brand search terms. But people don't care about sometimes your brand, but they will Google, very, very similar search terms of what your product is when they've been to your site recently. They just forgot your brand name. So my new customer acquisition actually increased when I went to manual, which was really interesting. I guess my question would be, why would removing the conversion value allow me to drop the bid CPC and then enter into those incremental inventory? And she's like, oh, thanks for your question, John. The key thing to note, all right, everyone panic. The key thing to note is that smart bidding does not optimize for incremental impression delivery.